again, the performance qualification, I believe the qualification is documented evidence, no doubt, but the documentation of performance of process or system to provide the high degree of assurance that will reliably, consistently operate, produce product that will meet its predetermined specification and quality attributes. So see what I am doing the PQ. So what is my URS? What is my specification I'm asked for? So that is very important here to verify during PQ. So then what are the parameter I need to verify? If I asking for the sum of the air changes in the laboratory, in the this air changes I need to verify. And you ask for the something fume mode air velocity. You have something anemometer to check the air velocity of the fume mode. You ask for the percentage of air circulation, that also you need to be verified. So these are all operational parameter you should verify in the complete system. When you on the complete system, there is a certain parameter you should have to be constantly monitor. To maybe temperature you need to monitor, maybe seasonal monitoring also you need to need it. So if you are buying the equipment here, you can tell them in our Bangalore, in the cold time the temperature is 12 to 13 degree, hot time the temperature is 35 degree, so 40 degree. So that perspective the design. So your temperature monitoring should be the distributed into the time bound, means seasonal. Same way, if you are monitoring other part of this differential pressure, if you are claim that room to room my differential pressure should be 5 Pascal in the same same June. So you should have to be monitor every maybe 3 consecutive day, maybe 1 week to confirm that. So same way, RH, relative humidity also you have to be put that as a human safety. I need 75% RH or 65% RH, that have to be monitored to understand that. And there is a HEPA filter. If you are in place, you should do the integrity of the HEPA filter to getting into the clean air to the our laboratory. Means whenever I'm handling microorganism, microbiological layer. To go, the goal of PQ is to verify the facility system and instrument perform properly and preparatory intended condition and specific for operation.